is just a real quick video. I'm going to be announcing the winners of the 5,000K subs giveaway. Finally, so this is going to go up very shortly. Please check my Instagram account, because that's where I will also load up the winners, and I will direct message those winners on Instagram. That's how I'm going to get in touch with them and everything. But this is just to let you guys know that there are 2 winners. Now I'm looking on my screen over here. The first winner is going to be, and I'm not announcing the names here, I will show you the actual video of me you know, having the live little you won kind of little video at the end of this. But the first one will be winning the I can't even talk. It's been a long day. Ulta $50 gift card. So that's going to be the top winner, the person on the first name, and then the second name will be the $25 Marshall's gift card. Okay, so those are the 2. There weren't a lot of entrances. Now I was kind of disappointed because I did wait like 2 weeks and there weren't that many entrances, but hopefully as I get more subscribers and as we do, you know, a 6,000, 7,000 or 10,000 subscriber giveaway, we'll have more people motivated to go on and enter. Okay, so but there were 2, so that's great. You know, I'm really happy for that, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So anyway, the 2 will be announced right after I get off here as I'm saying all this, and then we'll be running that, and then I will be getting in touch with them directly. And thank you everybody, and congratulations to the winners. I'm so proud of you guys. You guys did a great job. I can't be more grateful for all of our subscribers here the past few years. It's been really a rush. It really has been, and I look forward to giving you guys a lot more videos and a lot more content. I'm trying to do a lot more live, go up here maybe on the weekends, get myself dolled up. It kind of motivates me to do my hair and blow it out and do all that for you guys. So yeah, maybe even a little walk around sometimes on live. I just sat outside on my deck and did a live streaming for you guys. So a little change up, a little thing going on as we're going into the new year. Hopefully everything will be fine. So that's it. A lot of new things, a lot of changes, guys. Of course, the election. So yeah, a lot of cool things happening. So I love you guys very much. Thank you again. Blessings to all, and stay tuned right now for the video on the winners. Bye.